Hey guys, so today we're gonna talk about how to make a set of helping hands or a third hand for holding the wires for soldering. What you'll need is a CD drive, a steel wire around 2 meters, some alligator clips around 2 or 3, as much as you want, how many wires you want, and a screwdriver. First, if you want to disassemble the CD drive, I did that earlier. You just want this upper casing from it. You keep the screws that come on here. I let them stay on the neodymium magnet from the CD drive. It's very convenient. Then you cut around this much, I don't know how much, 30 centimeters something, from wire, and bend the loop around one side big enough so that one screw passes through it. See? Do it twice for 2 hands, and then put the wire inside the alligator clips inside of here from one side. You just put it inside of here, get it out of here, and just make a loop through this and loop it on itself, just like close it with the pliers. Yeah, I forgot you need pliers also. Then you just close these little leaves or ends with the pliers also on the wire. You just get something like this. Okay, see? Then you make a spiral. The length of the soldering iron is a metal tube, and a bit thinner than its handle. I just made a spiral, and just at the very end, I took a loop back down, made a couple loops down here, and just made this small loop. First, you put this in here so that you can hold your sword. Don't forget the loop for the screw. You put this here, so this acts as a holder for your solder. Remember, as I said, this length has to be a bit bigger, or at least the size of the metal tube from the soldering iron. And this should be a bit thinner than the handle, so when you put it, it doesn't slip down on the table. That will make a big mess. Just put the screw down there. Make sure it's tight. Make sure it's really tight. Then you get the wire you pull with the alligator clip. Just put the screw out of one end, or you just put it like this instantly. And just put the screw inside. And just put the screw inside. Okay, sorry guys. So just put the screw inside. Sorry guys. Put the screw inside of here. Just doesn't want to go in. Make sure it's out. The other side of the loop. Okay, then put it in here, and this is just gonna turn around with it. Screw it inside. Make sure it's tight so it doesn't fall on you. Be careful not to press a lot and break this. So this one hand, and put the other hand in whatever hole you want. Same process. Put the screw inside. Put the screw inside of the loop. And then just put it inside one of these. Holy crap. And then just put it inside this little piece. The hell? So just at first you can turn it with the wire. It just turns with the wire. Then you just want to turn it. The wire turns with the screw. As I said, be careful not to press too hard and break the side where the screw goes in. Okay, so I guess that's it. And it's way more flexible than the ones you buy online. Just use these clips and hold the two wires after you bend them, after you twisted them together. Just hold the wires and solder. You can put this stand here if you want, and you'll also have one more space if you want on the right hand, and you also have a bit more space to put an extra thing if you want, like a holder for, I don't know, circuits. You can get creative with it. And as I said, I like to put this neodymium magnet just to hold the screws and all the tiny parts if I have any, just here on this ridge, so I can remove what I want. Just holds these screws. Thank you very much.